Time is a fundamental aspect of our existence, an invisible thread that weaves through the fabric of our lives. It governs our lives, shaping our past, present, and future, dictating the rhythm of our days and the milestones of our years. Yet, despite its pervasiveness, time remains one of the most profound mysteries of the universe. What exactly is time? Is it a mere illusion or a fundamental aspect of reality? Why does it seem to flow in one direction, from the past to the future? Is time travel possible? Or is it just a figment of science fiction? Throughout history, philosophers and scientists have grappled with these questions, seeking to unravel the secrets of time. Their quest has led to fascinating theories and groundbreaking discoveries. From ancient philosophers who viewed time as cyclical, like the endless turning of a wheel, to modern physicists who describe it as a dimension, our understanding of time has evolved over the centuries. Yet the true nature of time continues to elude us, challenging our intuitions and inspiring our imaginations. It is a puzzle that remains unsolved, a riddle that beckons us to explore further. This essay embarks on a journey through the scientific and philosophical landscapes of time, examining the myriad ways in which we have tried to understand this elusive concept. We will explore the historical perspectives, tracing the evolution of thought from ancient times to the present day. We will delve into the mind-bending realm of physics, where time is intertwined with the very fabric of the universe, and we will ponder the profound questions that time raises about our place in the cosmos, questions that touch on the very essence of existence. Join me as we explore the mysteries of time, a journey that promises to be as awe-inspiring as it is enlightening, a voyage through the endless enigma that is time itself. Our ancestors perceived time through the cycles of nature, the rising and setting of the sun, the changing seasons, the birth and death of living things. These natural rhythms provided a framework for understanding the passage of time. Ancient civilizations developed calendars based on these observations, marking the passage of days, months, and years. For many ancient cultures, time was not linear but cyclical. The ancient Greeks, for instance, believed that time moved in an endless loop, with events repeating themselves throughout eternity. This cyclical view of time is reflected in many ancient myths and philosophies. With the rise of modern science, our understanding of time began to shift. Isaac Newton, in his groundbreaking work on physics, introduced the concept of absolute time, a universal clock that ticked at the same rate for everyone, everywhere. This Newtonian view of time dominated scientific thought for centuries. In the early 20th century, Albert Einstein shattered the Newtonian view of time with his theory of relativity. Einstein showed that time is not absolute but relative, meaning that it can flow at different rates for observers who are in motion relative to each other or who are experiencing different gravitational fields. One of the most startling predictions of Einstein's theory is time dilation. Time dilation means that time slows down for objects that are moving at high speeds or are in strong gravitational fields. This effect has been experimentally verified and is taken into account in technologies like GPS satellites, which rely on precise time measurements. Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time, showing that it is not a rigid, unchanging backdrop to the universe, but rather a dynamic and flexible fabric that is woven together with space. While Einstein's theory of relativity describes the behavior of time on large scales, the realm of quantum mechanics, which governs the world of atoms and subatomic particles, presents even stranger and more counterintuitive notions of time. In the quantum world, time becomes fuzzy and uncertain. The act of observation can influence the outcome of events, suggesting that the past is not fixed and the future is not predetermined. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics even propose the existence of parallel universes, each with its own timeline branching off from every quantum event. The interplay between time and quantum mechanics remains an active area of research, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the nature of reality itself. Section 5. The Arrow of Time: Why Time Moves Forward. One of the most fundamental questions about time is why it seems to flow in one direction, from the past to the future. This phenomenon is something we experience every day, yet it remains one of the most intriguing mysteries of the universe. This unidirectional flow of time is often referred to as the arrow of time. It's a concept that has fascinated scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. While the laws of physics do not distinguish between the past and the future, the arrow of time is evident in many aspects of our world, from the irreversible nature of certain physical processes like the shattering of a glass which cannot be undone, to the aging process of living organisms. We see it in the way people grow older, plants bloom and wither, and animals age over time. The origin of the arrow of time is still debated among scientists. Despite numerous theories, a definitive explanation remains elusive. One leading theory suggests that the arrow of time is related to the second law of thermodynamics, a fundamental principle in physics. This law states that the entropy, or disorder, of a closed system always increases over time. Entropy is a measure of randomness or chaos, and it tends to grow as time progresses. The universe as a whole is constantly moving towards a state of higher entropy. From the moment of the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding and evolving towards greater disorder. And this directionality, this relentless march towards higher entropy, could be what gives rise to the arrow of time. It's a journey that defines our existence and shapes the very fabric of reality. Section 6. Time travel. Fact or fiction? The concept of time travel has captivated the human imagination for centuries, inspiring countless science fiction stories and fueling our fascination with the possibility of altering the past or glimpsing the future. While time travel remains firmly in the realm of science fiction, Einstein's theory of relativity does allow for the possibility of time dilation, where time can pass at different rates for different observers. This raises the intriguing possibility that, under certain extreme circumstances, time travel might not be entirely impossible. Some physicists have proposed theoretical scenarios for time travel, such as wormholes, which are hypothetical tunnels connecting different points in space-time, or cosmic strings, which are thought to be incredibly dense, one-dimensional objects left over from the early universe. However, these concepts remain highly speculative and face significant theoretical and technological challenges. Section 7. The perception of time. While time may be a fundamental aspect of the universe, our perception of time is subjective and can be influenced by a variety of factors, including our emotional state, our age, and our cultural background. Time seems to fly when we are engaged in enjoyable activities, while it drags on during moments of boredom or distress. Our perception of time also changes as we age, with time seeming to speed up as we get older. Cultural factors also play a role in how we perceive and experience time. Different cultures have different concepts of time, with some emphasizing punctuality and linear timekeeping, while others prioritize flexibility and cyclical time perceptions. Understanding the subjective nature of time perception can provide valuable insights into the human experience and how we interact with the world around us. Section 8. Time and the human experience. Time is not merely a scientific concept, it is deeply intertwined with the human experience. Our lives are measured out in years, days, and hours, and the passage of time shapes our memories, our relationships, and our understanding of ourselves. We cherish time with loved ones, strive to make the most of the time we have, and often find ourselves reflecting on the passage of time and the legacy we will leave behind. Time is a precious commodity, and our awareness of its finite nature adds a sense of urgency and meaning to our lives. The human experience of time is complex and multifaceted, encompassing both the objective reality of time as a physical phenomenon and the subjective ways in which we perceive and relate to it. Section 9. Unraveling the fabric of time, a never-ending quest. The mysteries of time have captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring scientific inquiry, philosophical contemplation, and artistic expression. From the earliest days of civilization, humans have sought to measure, understand, and even control time. From the ancient philosophers who pondered the nature of eternity and the endless flow of moments, to the modern physicists who probe the quantum realm, seeking to unlock the secrets of time at the smallest scales, our quest to understand time has been a journey of profound discovery and enduring wonder. Each breakthrough has opened new doors, revealing more questions than answers. While we have made remarkable strides in unraveling the secrets of time, many questions remain unanswered. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. The true nature of time, its origins, and its ultimate fate. The origin of the arrow of time, which dictates the direction in which events unfold. The possibility of time travel. These concepts have fascinated and perplexed scientists and thinkers alike for generations. These are just a few of the enigmas that continue to challenge our understanding and fuel our curiosity. Each question leads to another, creating an endless chain of inquiry. As we delve deeper into the fabric of the cosmos, exploring the vastness of space and the intricacies of the quantum world, we can be sure that time will continue to surprise us, revealing new layers of complexity and beauty. Each discovery brings a new perspective, a new way of seeing the universe. Revealing new layers of complexity and beauty, time is a tapestry woven with threads of mystery and wonder. The journey to understand time is a never-ending quest, a path that stretches infinitely into the future, one that promises to illuminate not only the nature of the universe, but also our place within it. As we continue this quest, we are reminded of our own fleeting existence and the timeless nature of the cosmos.